Yo, what up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Tinalanga, the TT, the Mankala Kugunaku USA, the Machogera Kuba Tswana. How are you guys doing, man? MLB sent this song. Yeah, this person, we have been together forever, right? Like MLB every time. All right, Bucci, Mr. Wawa. I feel like we love the same music. We love the same people now. You know what I mean? So here we go. Mr. Worldwide, Ndekha. Ndekha? Wow, that's a I mean, okay, it's a beautiful neighborhood. This is 43, 48. What's that? What's the Bucci area there? 43, 48, 48. Forgot the it's on a song.
How many nights do you want Ndekha?
Hey. Oh, Ndekha means alone. By myself, alone. Yes.
How many times?
You know what? When you watch other people, it's like, how is it fair that this guy can dance and sing and act while I can't do one thing? He's probably like a scientist or something. He just doing this music thing for fun. Or no, maybe he's probably like some CEO. I don't know. But yeah, super talented. Everything by myself.
Those days are all gone. Those days are all gone. Since you came, I say,
hold on. Let's take it back. He said he's doing all okay.
How many nights do you want Ndekha?
Hey. Chakuja, what I eat, I was cooking by myself. Wow, I can hear.
How many times
Hey. Nobody wants to do Valentine by themselves. But today, the dance move. I should stop. I'm trying to stop myself from smiling, but you know, it's like those TikToks. This is how it happened. Hold on, they are introduced. Wait, who's this lady? Why do I know her from something? Do they act together? Let me take it back. What's their name? That's it. Listen. That's a cool shopping mall as well.
Since you came, I say, those days are all gone. Those days are all gone. Since I call Ndekha, when it just sound better. Since I call Ndekha, when it just sound better. Since I
I'm no longer by myself. That's basically what he's saying, right? Ndekha, but you know, I was doing all this Valentine's thing by myself, but you know, no more, no more. Today, beautiful one, man. I feel like you know, I was not expecting anything less. I feel like this guy is super talented. I've watched almost things that he has done. That's why I know that he's acting, singing, dancing, and a fashionista as well, because you know those clothes are fire. I feel like God knew not to make me a dancer, because if I was a dancer, I feel like I'll be really famous. You know, I'll be probably owning something in Malawi. But he was like, yeah, no, no dance, no dance for this one. Give him two left legs. Beautiful stuff, beautiful video, beautiful song, everything, man. Thank you so much for the suggestion. Yeah, keep them coming, guys. I know I'm no longer, what do you call it, doing things as quickly as I used to, but that's because I'm doing a lot of things at the same time. But hopefully someday I'll be done with one thing, which is school. I hate school. I do hate it. I do. I mean, I try to be positive, but it's hard. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on the